Take a plane in edit mode, rotate on x-axis, select this edge, go to edge, click on this, change the axis, add 18 segments or more, how much you want. Select these vertices, click on F, select these faces, insert them, delete this, select these two edges, click on F, add solidify modifier, add bevel modifier, select this face, duplicate it, separate it, in edit mode, scale on x-axis, select this edge loop, move on z-axis, extrude, decrease the thickness of this glass, move on y-axis, select this face, separate it, add edge loops here, select these vertices, move on z-axis, scale on x-axis,